asthma, allergies, diabetes, heart disease. Qigong is the only cure. Qigong lifestyle is for me, so I can be pain-free and do more. There's something called body drumming, and I just made it easy for you to learn body drumming. Now pluck your thyroid side to side. Pluck your thyroid side to side. Qigong side to side. Qigong side to side. Now pancreas poke side to side. Pancreas poke side to side. Qigong side to side. Now gonad bump. Bang your hip bones. Gonad bump. Bang your hip bone. Qigong side to side. Qigong side to side. Now pat your pineal side to side. Drum your pineal side to side, Qigong side to side. Now drum your memory side to side. Drum your memory side to side, Qigong side to side. Qigong side to side. Now cranial tap side to side. Cranial tap side to side, Qigong side to side. Pituitary push. Pituitary drum side to side, Qigong side to side. So now I'm going to explain to you everything that we just did. Good morning, Blue Dragons. I am Dr. George Love for the Blue Dragon Qigong Academy. And you just went to Qigong school so you could learn a healing tool. So there's something called body drumming. And that is an ancient Chinese technique. And I just made it easy for you to learn body drumming. So we've got 6 major joints. Wrist, elbow, shoulder. So you're going to start 4 times on the wrist. And then 4 times up to the elbow. 4 times on the elbow. 4 times up to the shoulder. 4 times. And then 4 times on the 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 6, 7, 8. Now we do that 3 times, and then we switch arms. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So the first question you have is, why are we slapping my skin? That hurts. Well, number 1, it brings blood to the surface. So when you do the patting, it actually brings blood to the surface, which does what? Increases blood circulation. Secondarily, it increases the bone, sends a message to send more blood to manufacture bone marrow. So this maintains bone health even though you are getting older. Okay? Now, the third thing it does is it stimulates the interstitial fluid and the fascia, which are just underneath the skin. They are part of your endocrine system. The endocrine system is the part of the body that makes hormones. Hormones are manufactured by your pineal and your pituitary, but they're circulated through the interstitial fluid. So when you do the patting, what are you doing? You are increasing the flow of the interstitial fluid, which helps you in hormone production and distribution. So the body drumming is a really, really important thing. Now, when the leg yang meridians, they go down, and the leg yin meridians come up. So very rarely do we touch the inside of our thighs. Quick shower, and we're done. So there's not a lot of blood circulation to the interior of the leg. Now, socially, we sit with our legs crossed, which does what? It restricts blood flow into the inner thigh. There's an artery called the femoral artery. So if you put your fingers on the top of the pubic bone and go out to the edge, that's exactly where the femoral artery is. femoral referring to the femur bone of the leg. So when we pat the leg, you're sending a message to strengthen the bone marrow and increase blood circulation to the inside of the leg. Now, there's a tendon here called the fascia lata. It's closely related to the large intestine and the gallbladder, which are both yang organs of distribution. So the gallbladder secretes bile, which breaks down fats. And the large intestine, as we all know, is an organ of excretion. So it's really, really important to do this. And every night, just before you go to bed, make a loose fist and bang down the outside of your leg. And you should do this 8 times. And this is really an important thing to do just before you go to bed. Now, the hip socket, we sit too much. So find that little dimple in your butt. That's the center of the hip socket. And if you move your hips from side to side, you can feel that muscle grab. If you pick up your leg and put it down, you can feel that muscle grab the hip socket. So I'm always telling people, smack your own ass. And people look at me like I'm crazy. You sit too much. The number 2 surgery in the United States is hip surgery. Number 1 is knee replacements. So knees and hips are the areas that we spend the least amount of time on. So we want to bang the area around the knee. So we want to go down and we want to go just below the knee. There's a bone called the fibula. So you want to bang the outside of the fibula. You want to go down at least 8 times. And then you want to bang the center of the hip socket. Okay, that's what you want to do every night before you go to bed. Then in the morning, you want to bang down the outside of the front of the leg. And you want to do that 8 times. You want to bang the front of the leg. And you want to do that 8 times. So that's in the morning. So nighttime, hip to knee, daytime, knee to ankle, or morning time, knee to ankle. And that's what you should be doing every day. That's going to increase blood circulation, increase bone marrow strength, and more importantly, increase hormonal flow. So that's what we do, and we make it fun, and I play music, and that's the only reason why you're going to do this on a daily basis, because of the music, and it's fun and it's bouncy. Am I right? Am I right? Okay, so now there are endocrine glands that I just talked about which secrete hormones. So we have the pituitary, we have the pineal, we have the thyroid, we have the thymus, we have the pancreas, we have the adrenals, and then we have the gonads. Now, when you bang your hip bones, you create a vibration that goes to the ovaries and the testicles. The adrenal glands are above the kidney. So if you bang that last 2 ribs, if you can find those last 2 ribs, and you can bang those last 2 ribs, you create an internal vibration that stimulates not only the kidneys, but the adrenals, which secrete hormones. Your kidneys secrete 3 hormones, one of which increases blood production, and another one increases calcium production. So these are things that are really, really important. And the third one secretes aldosterone, which connects to the pituitary and the pineal. So there's a lot going on, and that's why you have to bang your kidneys every single day. That's how you increase blood circulation and hormone circulation. This is not for fun. It is fun, but it's for serious medical self-care. And that's why we're having Freebie Fridays, and that's why I've invited you to my daily Qigong class. And you need to come Monday through Thursday to loveqigong.com, where you can get more information like I just gave you. Now, we didn't drum down the arm, okay? So we're going to go, you're going to find the collarbone, and where the collarbone meets the shoulder, you're going to go 5, 6, 7, 8, the center of the elbow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, center of the wrist, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now you're going to turn your thumb up. You're going to go in the center of the armpit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 8. Now, this area right here, you want to have your hand smack there. 1, 2, 3, 7, 8. And now the thumb, again, the same place, the corner of the collarbone where it meets the shoulder. 6, 7, 8. Top of the elbow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, the same area, 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you're going to go down the thenar eminence, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, we're going to do the same thing on the other side, okay? So, between the nipple and the armpit, we're going to start there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The center of the elbow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. The center of the wrist, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Thumb up. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Elbow, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And again, that little region, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And now, again, thumb up, where the collarbone meets the shoulder. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 5, 6, 7, 8. Too much going on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we did up the arm 3 times, both sides, down the arm 3 times, both sides, and we did the legs 3 times. So that is your morning routine. And if you want to get the music, comment, and we'll see how to arrange to get you the music so you can do this. Or you can just join the class, loveqigong.com.